Dan, how you doing? I'm Larry Johnson here at Tameron Hyundai, and I want to thank you for your car on the beautiful 2015 Hyundai Genesis, a phenomenal vehicle. And Dan, a great choice. You chose the Caspian Black. I do have that vehicle here. The one that you chose, though, I don't have it available at the moment, but it is available for you. And also, if you want to take a look at this vehicle, this is a vehicle here's got been loaded with the leather seat package. Also, if you look up front, I've got your controls, safety controls, like volume control for your AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth. I'll pair your phone before you leave the lot here, Dan. Also, I've got your cruise control. I got your trip terminal buttons, go through your computer. Also, I've got Blue Link and Home Link on this vehicle. And this vehicle has heated seats, power seats, Dan, a lot of features I know you'll really appreciate and enjoy. Also, I want to let you know that we're at Tameron Hyundai. We'll love the way you're treated here. We give you the best warranty in town. That's right. With Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000 miles, we developed a 20-year, 200,000 miles. At no cost to you, Dan. You can take the vehicle anywhere and have it serviced. Don't have to bring it back here. Of course, you would love to come here. You'll love our service. But give me a call. My name is Larry Johnson. My number is 380-6250. Give me a call, Dan. I'll see you soon.